I just made it to Pai, which is up north from Chiang Mai. It took me around 3 hours to drive. I just got a message from Alvin.
We traveled Hazan Loop together and Sapam. Alvin was also in the north part of Thailand at that moment because he was completing 11-day Vipassana meditation retreat, which we will talk about later in this video.
And we say to each other that we're supposed to reunion back again in Thailand. He's in Pai and I am in Pai. How incredible is that? I got myself a bike, which is IRX, the same bike I had in Bali. I love that bike. Let's not waste time and let's just get it.
What's up, boy?
How are you? Yeah. Long time no see you.
No time no see, man. Got my soul color. Finally.
Back again. Back again.
How are you doing?
Hello, Sawadika.
Silent Vipassana retreat
I saw you did
for 11 days, no talking. I woke up at 5, cold shower, went for volunteering, cooking in the morning. Then we had like offering to the monks at 6:30, 7 a.m. breakfast. Then at 8 we had walking and sitting meditation. 10:30 we had offering to the monks lunch. At 12 we had like again walking, sitting and lying meditation and Dharma talk. So he was talking for like 5 or 10 minutes. To be honest, like what I could collect from the knowledge that he was sharing in 10 days, there was one book that I could read like in 10 minutes what he was saying in 10 days. The first couple of days I was reading this book, studying, and it changed my life. Some of the meditation is to calm yourself. If you're angry, if you're busy in your mind, you calm yourself, you get mindful about being in the present. And calm. What I learned is to control my thoughts. To know like this body is not me. Like the last 11 days, man, every day mind-blowing, mind-blowing, mind-blowing. Man, I've seen shit on LSD and mushrooms, but after these 2 sessions of meditation, I don't know what I've seen. My whole body was shaking for 1 hour. I had so much energy. And that was something that taught me that I'm really, really, really the beginning of understanding what I am. Man, 11 days, not smoking, not drinking, eating twice a day in the morning, sleeping from 8, 9 p.m. to like 5 p.m. I have so much energy. I feel like reborn, man. I bought the best bike in Thailand. And for me, in general, it's normal how much I talk. But after the last 11 days, I feel like, man, be quiet. The only reason why I'm talking now is because you're here, you know? And normally I would just avoid people.
We're starting to get amazing views over there. Kinda reminds me of the views I used to get almost every single day when I was in Vietnam driving around the country with my bike. Pai is on 500 meters altitude, and this place right now, which is like Dock Wheel View, it's just 1,440 meters altitude, so it's almost 1 kilometer up in altitude, and it gets pretty cold, honestly. Where actually we are. I'm pretty bad with the names. You're basically seeing every day something new, and that's why you kind of don't remember the names. Bang Mapha Viewpoint. So we are right now in the middle between Pai and Mae Hong Son City.
Those endless mountain landscapes, green scenery, clouds, and just overall the atmosphere of the place was incredibly good. And just because I was kinda running out of time, I couldn't afford myself to explore every single corner of Pai region, but I tried my best to show you at least a glimpse of this beautiful place. And by the way, on the other side of the road from the viewpoint you will see a few tiny shops that sell handcrafted items from the household or just souvenirs. Make sure to check them out and support local community.
Everything is good apart of the helmet. Helmet is completely cut. This is like literally it's just potato? Sweet potato?
And it's not even in the town. The prices for veggies and fruits cannot get any cheaper than that. Bananas for 50 cents per kilo, sweet potatoes for 60, and so on and so on. Mostly prices are below $1 per kilo, which is like insane. Road quality in Thailand overall is super good. I thought that the Vietnam has good roads after visiting Nepal, but Thailand is above that level. This way is part of my Hong Son loop, which is a 600-kilometer loop around villages in North Thailand touching Chiang Mai and Pai. Whenever you will go, you will be stunned by nature.
Damn, the jungle boy is back to the jungle. Proper jungle, like look how many different trees, oh my days, it's like what the fuck? So when I say there is landslides in Thailand, I mean landslides. So look, like literally that's one way, there's another way, this one is closed. Because and you know what? That yellows, like yellow signs, they kinda fit so good in the green environment. It just looks natural somehow. Half of the road is done. I just made it back to 1440 meters above the sea level, and the view is really stunning. Actually, I'm seeing the sunset right now. It's amazing. Look at these guys. The shape of the clouds is just so amazing. It's incredible. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It really means the world to me. Made it back. Alvin is already waiting for me in hall, and we are about to go to the walking street, and he said there's like best food in the whole Thailand is here in Pai. So let's check it out.
Very good, man. I mean, they're cold, but when they're hot, it remembers me. Pirashki? Pirogi? Patty with beans, smashed beans. I have some tums, like papaya salad. We have fresh papaya, so it's not soft, it's not sweet. Hard.
And what's the taste of fresh papaya?
I don't know, to be honest, because they put like
mixed with
yeah, it's mixed. In Germany they are like dark and like that
big,
big.
yes, big, yeah.
Because they are fake. It's like they changed it, but that's natural. Like that.
No, it's like different breed. The normal one is
like
purple.
Yeah,
purple.
but not that big.
Yeah, big.
No. It's
Yeah.
all like they changed the DNA. Like
I'll tell you the secret about cucumbers as well. They can be small and big, you know. Because Alvin is always complaining about the camera, I need to go back home.
fuck yeah.
Back to the hotel.
Weight is too much for me to handle, you know.
It's another beautiful day here in Pai, and Alvin is not answering my phone. Probably he's meditating or doing something.
So this is literally what you see 5 minutes driving from center of Pai.
Pai is surrounded by lush jungles and rice fields, especially if you visit it during rainy season, all the colors will pop up.
Pai is in the list as a place to visit for sure, for sure. Just made it to Yunlai Viewpoint, and as I can see, you can actually camp there. I see some tents and there is a picture. Such an amazing view, guys. That's a little Chinese village where we might stop on the way back. You're actually supposed to pay for the ticket. This is the highest point you can get here. Come inside here. Your eyes are getting used to it, but you're still amazed. Every single day you're still amazed of how beautiful and how huge the world is actually. That's for the carps. Get yourself 10 bahts, put it here, and feed dogs. Especially, I would suggest you to come and do camp here. This is is what they so-call a village of Chinese tribe.
For someone who likes it authentic and cultural, Little Chinese Village wasn't a stop I would promote to visit. I did not find anything that could catch my eye out there. You can take a little excursion, shoot some arrows, buy souvenirs, and that's pretty much it. I would personally skip it.
It's just a cute place. Maybe you could have buy some souvenirs or some tea. And again the same. How many times I will do the same mistake? I don't know. But I arrived to Big Buddha of Pai, which is actually a temple. It's behind me. You need to go up 300 steps so you can come towards the Buddha. But again in the shorts. Hello, Kitty Pie. Hi, how are you? Do you have a sarong?
It's okay now.
It's okay like that?
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. Okay. If it's fine, then it's fine. First, second, third. Steps. There's a huge Buddha. Yeah. The view towards the city is amazing. Just trying to be quiet, not to disturb a couple of people. On the right side from the main street, you will actually see a healthy vegan vegetarian coffee shop, like a restaurant. Make sure to come there, the food is delicious. As you can see, this place became iconic, especially for the sunsets.
This is basically a Grand Canyon of Thailand. This place is like a light bulb for the butterflies at night, calling all the people to come and enjoy the sunset, as the views and atmosphere out there is unbeatable. Make sure to wear comfortable shoes though, as it might get pretty dodgy passing narrow corners.
Yeah, you can compare the canyon to Grand Canyon, but actually that's an amazing place to spend a time before the sunset. It's so calm, so quiet. Look at this, my friends. The view is just so incredible from that side. So since Alvin arrived, we have a celebration by...
Just because of me, there's
Yeah,
a
yeah.
rainbow, no?
There's two rainbows. There's
Oh.
one on the left side. You see?
That's it for today's episode, guys. The next episode will be from the wonderful Chiang Rai, where I will show you one of the most beautiful temples in the world.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below. See you.